In the early 2000s, I was at home in my hometown, playing alone with my toy kitchen stuff in our basement. It's an old part of the house built by my great grandmother. I was a quiet kid back then and didn't really play with others and preferred being myself. That night, I was sleeping beside my dad around 3 a.m. I suddenly woke up and looked around out of curiosity. I needed to pee back then, so I got up, and that's when I saw something in the mirror upstairs. It it's a woman in a lace dress with no head. She wasn't looking at me, but staring straight toward the stairs. I panicked and woke my dad, telling him what I saw, that I was scared to go to pee. He calmly walked upstairs, right through where the headless figure had been. I rushed to the bathroom, then back to our rattan mattress. Even then, I could still see her, and I didn't sleep until morning. So, years later, my mom said it might have been her grandmother who used to comb her hair at night.
Ang Lola Elesa. Ang giling. Itong bata pa ka. Ano to dirigo? Nagbantay-bantay.
I'll never forget the headless lady in the lace dress when I was around 6 or 7 years old back.